Hi, I'm Josh from Apt. We've got the new 4K streaming Roku 4-box. We're going to grab a TV right now. We're going to set it up and show you how easy that is. Alright, so we're ready to get started here. We've plugged our HDMI cable into our HDMI port on the back of the TV. And if you have a 4K TV, then you make sure you plugged it in to the HDMI port that supports HDCP 2.2. And that's it. Let's go. I chose English. I'm choosing Wi-Fi. If you have a hardwire connection, then, well, you're going to go down to wired. Let's see, set up new Wi-Fi connection. It's going to find my wireless networks here in my house, or in this example at Apt. So I'm going to choose my free Wi-Fi for our customers called Apt Guest Wi-Fi. We have no password here, so this should join without any problems. Your home connection should then flag you now to enter your password. So let's see what happens here. It shouldn't take too long. Looks like we're first going through kind of phase one. Never mind. There we go. All right, so ready to go. There's an update. I'm forced to do the update, which is kind of a bummer. I'd love to just skip it for now, but I'm going to select OK, and let's see how fast this works out. Some of these updates we've seen with televisions take forever. This update's cruising pretty fast. We do have some pretty fast Wi-Fi for our guests that visit Apt, and that might be a little responsible for how fast that you guys see this load. Alright, it looks like we're going to start over after that update. So here comes round 2 with the update done. Alright, so after the reboot here, it looks like I have another option to kind of go through these updates. Update later, update now. Going left and right is doing nothing here. We might have to be waiting for it to finish booting up. And it appears so. So I guess you're going to ignore that top bar when you come out of this screen. Or, you know what? If you've purchased the product and maybe it was manufactured at a later date, it might already have the update. So stand by. It looks like we're about to start here from fresh with the update done. Alright, proceeding with our updated Roku, we're going to go ahead and begin our setup here with setting our display type. It knows that I'm on a 1080p TV, and I'm going to select yes. If I had a 4K TV and I connected to the HDCP 2.2, then I could have gone to 4K and seen it. Now here, I'm a 1080p TV, so I'm going to keep it where I'm at and move forward. Alright, so now we're going to go on a PC, phone, or tablet, and I'm going to go to a URL, roku.com/link, and I'm going to enter a code. Alright, so listen, we've just went through an account process where I established my own account. If you already had a Roku account, or maybe after watching this video, you're going to go create your Roku account so you're ready to go. Otherwise, I had to start fresh, and during that process, it asked me for all sorts of information, my credit card information, or you could have used PayPal. And then after you establish your account, it has a great interface that breaks down all the apps that you might want associated with your Roku. So, as you can see, I chose 23 different apps, and those were the apps I wanted. So now it's going to go ahead and just load the whole system with all these apps. So we're just going to fast forward here and show you what's next. Alright guys, it looks like we are all done according to the screen here. And on the bottom they're telling us to download the Roku mobile app for iOS, Android, and Windows devices. And that's going to be the ability for your smartphone or your tablets to control it. So I'm going to select OK and see what we got here. Looks like we are in the Roku system. We're ready to get going. We can even customize it and add more channels and everything. Pretty simple to set up, and pretty exciting that we've got 4K streaming now that you could just couple up with any brand 4K TV. And there's a lot of 4K TVs at apt.com. Let's hear some comments. What do you think about 4K now that you've got all these new streaming devices and 4K Blu-ray players around the corner?